What are credit cards?
Grog hungry. He wants berries, but Grog has no shiny rocks. Berry seller says, "No rocks, no berries." Then Grog's friend invents magic rock slab. With slab, Grog can say, "Trust me, I'll give you shiny rocks later." Berry seller agrees.
Hi.
Grog eats today. Berry seller happy. Grog happy. But soon, Grog buys too many berries. Mammoth steak. Extra furs. He owes mountain of shiny rocks.
Hey!
The slab man says, "Pay me back, or I take even more shiny rocks later." Now every berry costs double. Grog spends years paying shiny rocks for berries he already ate. Sometimes still hungry. That's a credit card. Eat now, pay later. But if Grog not careful,
he pays forever.
what is a credit score? Grog wants more berries. But this time, seller says, before I trade, how do I know you'll actually pay shiny rocks back? So the tribe invents a system, a number, a score. If Grog always pays shiny rocks back on time, score goes up. If he forgets or owes too many shiny rocks, score goes down. High score? Grog is Berry King. Every seller trusts him. He gets berries, mammoth steaks, maybe even a new cave. Low score? Grog is Berry Bum.
Help!
No one trusts him.
Quiero.
He can't even rent a rock to sit on.
Help me!
So, one number decides if Grog is hero or broke caveman with no dinner. That's a credit score. It's just a way to measure how good you are at paying shiny rocks back. High score equals more trust. Low score equals fewer berries. How do credit cards work? Okay, listen up. Grog just discovered the shiny rock card. What is it? Basically a magic stick that lets you buy berries now and pay shiny rocks later. Here's how it works. When Grog swipes shiny rock card at Berry Hut, Shiny Rock Bank pays the Berry Hut first.
Yay!
Berry Hut is happy. Grog walks away with berries. But now, Grog owes the bank. The bank be like, "Yo, Grog, we spotted you those berries. Pay us shiny rocks later." If Grog pays all shiny rocks back at end of moon cycle, no problem. All good. Bank says, Grog is responsible caveman. But if Grog only pays minimum shiny rocks, interest go brr. Suddenly, Grog owes even more shiny rocks. It's like saying, "Hey Grog, give me one berry now and I'll let you keep the mammoth steak. But next month, you owe me 2 berries. So in short, credit cards equals bank, fronting shiny rocks for Grog. Pay it back fast equals smart caveman. Pay late or minimum equals shiny rock avalanche. Moral of story, credit card not free shiny rock machine. It's more like buy now, cry later. What are credit card rewards? Grog just found out shiny rock cards don't only buy berries.
Yay!
They also give him free stuff back. Because nothing screams financial responsibility like spending shiny rocks to earn slightly fewer shiny rocks.
Nice.
First up, points. Every time Grog swipes shiny rock card, he earns reward points. Points are basically imaginary shiny rocks. Currency that only works inside the magical bank universe. It's like Chuck E. Cheese tokens, but for adults who cry during tax season. Next, cashback. Grog spends 100 shiny rocks. Bank gives him 1 shiny rock back. Wow. Thanks, Bank. Truly life-changing.
I got you, fam.
Now Grog can buy 1 grape. Then there's miles. These let Grog fly to other shiny rock lands. Hotels, plane rides, fancy berry juice on board, all free. Translation, Grog spends 20,000 shiny rocks on random stuff, so he can eventually fly to Berryland. Oh, and bonus rewards. Bank says spend 500 shiny rocks in first moon cycle and get giant pile of points. Grog immediately buys 499 berries he didn't even want. But hey, at least now he can trade those points for a keychain. But here's the catch. Rewards only work if Grog pays shiny rocks on time. If not, interest avalanche wipes out everything. Imagine trading a mammoth steak for a single moldy berry. That's bank math. Pro tip: many berries, get cashback card. Many travels, get miles card. Many questionable life choices, points card. So yeah, credit card rewards sound amazing until you realize they're just shiny rock coupons that trick Grog into swiping more. Free berries mean nothing when avalanche coming.
What the fuck?